we've got for sale this 2025 MAN TGE long wheelbase camper. It was converted by us for our customer at the end of last year, and the customer's plan for this van was to basically have it converted and then to flip it. So in this video I'm going to show you around some of the features, and if you're interested in buying it, get in contact with us at the end of this video and we will arrange a viewing. Let's have a look inside. So what I'm going to do is start at the front of the van, work our way through and show you some of the features. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so not going into too much detail just for the purpose of this video. If you think you're interested, obviously get in contact with us to find out any more information you need and we'll happily share. So starting at the front, we've got 3 belted seats in the cab. We've decided to keep the bulkhead in this one too, because we like the separation between the living area and the driving area, but we did keep the access into the cab there for emergencies. If you're in the back and, you know, for whatever reason you need to get off quickly, you don't have to go outside the van to get into the driver's seat. You can just jump through there and get off. We've got the air dispatcher controls up here and the blower down at the bottom. So that's a nice space for that because it blows the hot air right through the van. And then moving on to the shower enclosure, so we've got the roller shower door, we've got the Thetford cassette toilet with obviously the access to it there, PVC lined walls, the black thermostatic mixer, and we've got a little switch here that controls the lights but also the extractor fan that we've got up in there. Moving into the kitchen, all of the laminates or the veneer that you can see on the base units and the wall units are Egger laminates, so really nice finish. They just give it that little bit more of a premium feel to it. We've gone with the marble effect worktop, the deep overmount sink and the triplex cooker in this one, so 3 burners on the top, and we've got the grill and the oven in there too. So it's a fully functioning kitchen. We've got deep pan drawer down here, fridge behind this door, and then storage up top on the shelf, and a bit more on this side, little shallow drawer, and the walnut effect timber door that we designed and created in the workshop. So dining area, so these 2 box seats and the table actually come out, so you can lift that out, undo the leg, and then the table actually drops on top of there, locates in this one, and with an extra cushion that is currently in the garage area, creates a little sleeping area for a kid. Obviously handy if you need it. If you don't, then it just stays as a dining area. When you're traveling though, this seat box has a little locator on the underside of it, and what happens is you just put that over the plug in the floor, and that keeps that box seat from sliding around when you're actually driving. And there's a little storage area for the table in the garage space too, but I'll just keep that there for now while we go through some more features. So in the ceiling we've got skylight in the front section, we've got the max fan in the middle, which is of course over the kitchen, great for when you're cooking, for extracting all the smells out. And then in the back area we've got the big skylight, great for stargazing and all of that good stuff. You might have noticed down this left hand side we've got little vents all the way down. There's an aircon unit fitted underneath the bed, and that ducting goes right up there and it disperses all of the cool air right down the length of the van. We've got more wall storage along this side, so great for your clothes and things like that, all on gas struts, again all made with Egger laminates with lightweight poplar ply. We've also got a TV, smart TV, that can swing around and face a bit into the living area, but for the most part it will be used whilst in bed, I would imagine. A couple of reading lights either side, and the best thing about this van, in my opinion, is the big bed. Proper starfish in here. It's usually one of the big compromises when building camper vans, is the beds are usually quite small and quite often uncomfortable. This is a massive bed, and it just makes the whole van a little bit more, as we say, a bit more comfortable for those who like their sleep. As we move into the back of the van, we've got a couple of barn door windows with blackout curtains. We've got the same setup on the side loading door window as well. In here we've got all of the inner workings of the van, so electrical equipment over on this left hand side. We've got Victron Heavy with all of the appliances, 2 AGM batteries, smart battery charger, solar on the roof, DC to DC charger, and all the usual fuse boards, breakers, and all of that good stuff. In this section we've got the onboard gas locker, as you can see, the manifold mounted just to the side, and then inside all of this boxing in, we've got the aircon unit, we've got the Whale Expanse water heater unit, and the pump and all of that other stuff to power all of the shower, the sink, and any other appliances inside the van. So this van is also fitted with a tulip on Mr. Awning. Probably seen these plenty of times before. That just goes in there, start winding it out. You then drop the legs down, drop the other leg down, and then once the legs are taking the weight, you can then continue winding that out, and that goes out around about 2.5 to 3 meters, I think. Might even be more on this size. So that's it in a nutshell. If you think that you might be interested in this van, obviously it's one of a kind, not like anything else that's out there. It's listed for £110,000. As I said, it's a brand new MAN TGE long wheelbase, 2025 with delivery miles on it only. It's actually 413 miles on the clock to be exact. So this van is gonna give someone years and years worth of priceless memories. If that's you, get in contact with us and we'll arrange a viewing.